Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting product to review that's perfect for anyone who loves comfort and convenience on the go. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just relaxing, the Brookstone Memory Foam Lap Desk might be the game changer you didn't know you needed. Stick around to find out how this versatile tablet holder can make your life easier. Welcome to today's review. We're taking a closer look at the Brookstone Memory Foam Lap Desk Tablet Holder, a versatile and comfortable accessory for all your devices. Whether you're using it at home, during travel, or on the go, this lap desk is designed to make your life easier. With its soft memory foam build, this tablet holder ensures comfort and functionality, allowing you to work, watch, or read without any hassle. Let's explore what makes it a must-have for both work and leisure. The Brookstone Memory Foam Lap Desk stands out for its triangular design, offering two viewing angles that let you adjust your device's position for maximum comfort. Whether you're using a tablet, ebook reader, or even your phone, this universal lap desk can hold them all securely. It's perfect for watching movies, attending virtual meetings, or even reading a book. Whether you're in your living room or on a plane, you can switch between angles for the best viewing experience. With its soft yet sturdy construction, the lap desk works great on your lap or any flat surface. One of the most convenient features is the side mesh pockets. These pockets are designed for easy storage of small accessories like chargers, styluses, headphones, or even snacks while traveling. You can easily access your items without moving your device. This makes it especially handy when you're working remotely or just lounging by the pool. Plus, the plush fabric ensures your devices won't get scratched or damaged, making it safe for long-term use. Whether you're on a long trip or just enjoying a lazy day at home, the Brookstone Memory Foam Lap Desk offers ultimate comfort and convenience. It's not just for work. You can use it to watch movies, read, or even keep your kids entertained during travel. Its universal design and thoughtful features make it the perfect travel accessory for anyone with multiple devices. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and comfortable lap desk, the Brookstone Memory Foam Tablet Holder is a great choice. That's all for today's review of the Brookstone Memory Foam Lap Desk. If you're someone who's always on the move or just enjoys comfort while using your devices, this could be the perfect fit for you. Ready to upgrade your travel game or home setup? You can find the link to grab yours in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.